food, great entertainment. We're going to start games here in the zone. Right after everybody eats, we're going to have their food starting in just a couple of minutes here. They're finishing up. She was practicing. She never you stick, hang on to the other half. We'll be doing the raffle following a little bit later this afternoon. Make sure everybody's here. I believe it's must be present to win. So we've got to stick around to the end. Right after everybody eats, we're going to have their food starting in just a couple of minutes here. They're finishing up that first row hamburger.